Welcome, in front of me is a ZTE Blade 10, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card. And to get started, we will need this little thing right over here, the SIM ejector. Now it comes provided with the device in the box, so you can get it from there, or you can also use a paper clip to straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have it, you will want to pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side, so right over here, as you can see where the pen is right now holding. And then firmly push it in. The tray will pop out, as you can see. And when you take it out, you'll have space for either two different SIM cards or one SIM card and one SD card. Now I'm going to occupy one of each, but if you wanted to use two different SIM cards, all you need to do is place a SIM card on the SD tray like so, and then another one right here. So let's place the SIM and then SD like so. Now you do want to make sure that they're laying flush on the tray. As you can see, they are for me. Now there's nothing really holding them in place, so if I would flip it over, it would just fall out. So once you have it in there, slide it back into the device. There we go. And there we go. So that's the SIM card working, obviously. Let me confirm the pen for the SIM card. And then SD card should be working just as well. And that is how you would insert both the SIM card and SD card into the device. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.